We travel not to escape life, but life not to escape us. I've experienced war, low resistance army war in northern Uganda, commonly known as SLRA, led by Joseph Kony. We used to travel, to run into the bushes to hide. Some people say we want to escape life, or we want to escape with life. But the truth is, we wanted life not to escape away from us. Because if the rebels could get you, they would kill you or cripple you or do anything, can abduct you, and the possibility of life escaping you would increase. So we travel not to escape life, but life not to escape us.